Good morning, Standard 2. So let's first review how to add money together. So here with me, I have $2, dollar sign needs to be there, $2.60 plus 50 cents. How do I know this is 50 cents? Because the decimal is there, I have 50, and I have my cent sign. So in order for me to add this correctly, I need to line it up correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bigger number on top. So I will put 2, my decimal point, 60. I will put my cent sign because I'm dealing with money, and I will put my dollar sign, which is like an S with a line through it because I'm dealing with dollar. And then now I need to add the 50 cents. So I'm going to put my decimal point right under each other, decimal and decimal. Then I'm going to write 50 because this is only cents. So it's only supposed to be under cents. And there was no dollar. See, it's only 50 cents. So I'm just going to put a 0 here to substitute that. Okay. Then I will add my plus sign. And I will go ahead and I will add this up to get my answer. So let's go ahead and begin. 0 plus 0 is 0. If it adds up to 9, everything's fine. 10 or more, I have to take the extra next door. So let's go ahead and call ourselves 6 and add 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11. So I'm going to put my 1 here, and I have to take the extra next door. So I am now going to say 2 plus 1, because this is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm going to put my 3 here. I need to bring down my decimal, put my dollar sign, put my cent sign, and my answer is $3.10.